starting this vlog out on our way to a waterfall near us. What was it called?
Joaquin. Something like that.
We can't pronounce the name, but it's a really pretty day out here, so we didn't want to spend the entire day doing homework. But yeah, the waterfall is like 30 minutes away. We're on our way over
so
there.
pretty.
According to the pictures, it's really, really pretty. So hopefully it is pretty. Also, we're kind of like a 50-50 because apparently there was like fires around it. So some of them are closed, but this is the one we found. We'll see you guys there though.
We'll keep you updated.
Yeah. We're here. It's packed. There's no parking spots. We thought the hike was gonna be a little bit longer, but apparently it's only 5 minutes.
We were gonna go to another one that was like a longer hike, but
Like, I think it was closed down, huh?
or something.
But our update right now is
We can't find parking.
we can't find parking. Yeah, it was sunny in Portland. I don't know where we are, but it is definitely like very windy.
Yeah.
We were driving up here and there was
We
like,
felt the car moving. Like
yeah,
we were driving.
like there is it called?
Yeah.
Yeah, we came very unprepared. We're very accustomed to Southern Oregon hikes to where it's like warm and like
a little bit chilly.
yeah, a little bit, but no, this is like strong winds and we're very unprepared. We came with like
Dude, what
wind-
the waterfall.
oh, that's so pretty. Okay, we
I feel so stupid. Fuck, I feel so stupid. I like turned and I'm like, what is that?
yeah, so the waterfall's like right there.
Okay, and I see people walking up there.
So this is the fall that we're trying to find parking for. It's right there. Really pretty. But since there's no parking for it, we're gonna try to go to a different one. So wish us luck. We made it. We found one that was literally just like up the little hill, right? So we're gonna go check it out. We can see it. It's like pretty, really pretty. So I think there's more than one waterfall here. So
Yeah, we
found the main one.
Yeah.
So we're almost at the waterfall. We can literally see it. It's so pretty. You're gonna be able to see it, but this is literally beautiful. Like so worth actually coming to the hike instead of going to the other one.
Look, you should turn it around. Like,
I'm scared. Look at that. Beautiful. And you can go like you
right
can
there.
go under there. So
So
that's
we're
what
about
we're
to
gonna
go do that.
Oh, this looks so pretty. It's crazy.
It's cold, but it's worth it.
Can you hold this? Oh.
What's up, guys? That's so pretty.
It is really, really loud. We're under rocks. But so it's right there. So glad I didn't bring white shoes. It's so cold. This is really pretty. You can still see the waterfall. We took some pictures, so stay tuned for those. It's really dark though, so the lighting wasn't like too great, but highly recommend. You have anything to say?
I'm so
It is
I can't
freezing.
feel my fingers.
I can't
But
either.
it was worth it.
And then the water is like ice cold too. So when we tried to take the video going through it, it was like freezing. And we tried to get some like good angles, but it was really muddy, so it's super slippery up there.
Trail was like flat, not like flat, but obviously like the hills and stuff, but without rocks I could run it. We're gonna take pictures when we get down there with rocks I could run it.
She definitely could have ran it though. We'll update you guys when we're in the car and we've met up with Daisy. So found a parking spot in the waterfall that we wanted to see first, which is what we came to see initially. We're gonna try to update you guys with this waterfall. There's a bridge and it looks really pretty. So
Alright, peace out. So, we motherfuckers made it after 2 hours.
So that was a success. We went to both of them. They're both really pretty. The bridge.
There's another one over there.
Wait, which one?
The one over there. Fuck, my fingers. My phalanges, I can't feel that.
It's not as bad once you get up there. You don't really feel that it's super cold. It's freezing, but you can't really feel it. Did you trip?
No.
Yeah, this is the little waterfall that we came to look at. That's the one we came to see. Little did y'all know. We're gonna see if it's worth going to that other one. If we can find parking down there, obviously. I really need some better vlogging angles because I suck at it. Oh, Daisy hasn't vlogged today. Here you go.
Hello. I guess I'm vlogging now. I've never really done it with this device that we have. Oh, you hold it from the bottom? Oh my god, that probably makes more sense. Yeah. It's really cold. And look, we're really near Washington over there. If we cross that lake, we're in Washington. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's really fucking over here. They have this like little concession stand where they like sell hot chocolate, I'm guessing, and like churros. We're about to go into the car and bless someone with a free parking spot.
It's not even 3 yet. Maribel, is that kick?
No. It's Toyota.
So we're gonna inform you guys on this little thing. Maribel has a Nissan Kick, and we have not been able to find another Nissan Kick. Maribel's mom said that she found one, but it wasn't like, it was a different color. And I just want to say that if you guys do find a Nissan Kick, please send us pictures. We need evidence. Okay, we made it. It's a small waterfall, like. Super pretty. It's chilly. I'm trying to get to the car pretty fast. I'm the only one running. I'm the only one that's cold. They're all the way back here. Ah! I really can't feel my fingers though. My legs are cold.
Everything is cool.
On our way back, I think we're like 40 minutes away.
Yeah,
This is an adventure
for sure.
through waterfalls.
We were so pretty, but they're so freezing right now.
Beautiful. Yes, they're beautiful. Can't feel my fingers though. And of course, we gotta end this trip with some Dutch Bros.